This is the digital depth gauge and the digital string height gauge available from LMI. The digital depth gauge can be used for measuring the depth of binding and purfling channels when setting up your binding cutting jig, as well as measuring mortises and tenons and even brace height. The digital string height gauge will help you achieve optimum string height at the nut and 12th fret when setting up your instruments, thus making them more comfortable to play and helping avoid things like string buzz. Both the digital depth gauge and the digital string height gauge are compact and easy to use. Both have clear base plates that provide an unobstructed view of the measurement process. The digital display system can be set to decimal or fractional inches, as well as metric. You can reset 0 with the press of a button for precise readout. The hold feature freezes display for precise measurement as well. Both gauges are accurate to the thousandth of an inch. The digital depth gauge can not only measure depths, but is also very useful for measuring thicknesses like bridge patches and also height of things like braces. To use the depth gauge, push the on switch. In my case, I'm going to measure the thickness of this bridge patch. So I'm going to slide it off until the plunger hits this surface, the top, but I'm still resting on the bridge patch. I'm then going to zero out the display by pushing the 0 button. I'm then going to place it onto the bridge patch. The thickness of my bridge patch is 3/32, or 2.44 millimeters, or 96 thousandths. To measure the height of my X brace at the peak, I do the same thing. Zero it out, lift it up, place it at the peak, make sure the plunger is all the way down on the top, and I'm coming in at 490 thousandths, or 31/64, or 12.14 millimeters. Using the string height gauge is very similar to using the digital depth gauge. Just place the string height gauge over your string and over the fret. You can then zero it out by pushing the 0 button. Push the plunger down until the string makes contact with the fret. In my case, I'm 3/32 off the fret. Having the LMI digital depth gauge and the digital string height gauge in my shop makes it quick and easy to get accurate and precise measurements when it counts, so that I can get on to the next step.